This is the Demon when it was still a gas powered with a 125cc. So we decided to grab a few parts from inside and come out here and just make something happen. Make something happen. Now we just gotta get a tube and a sprocket. We took the Kunray motor for whatever little bike we get, and we slapped it on here because our 138 is currently hurt, so we're waiting to either get the refund or a reshipment. So right now that's what we're working with. Power. This doesn't move unless the tire's actually moving, so gotta have the chain hooked up for that, and it's gotta have the pressure moving. That's what's going on. This is not a permanent solution for this bike, the QS138 is, but until then we gotta get some breathing holes drilled in and a heat sink put on, just so our motor doesn't overheat, because that is the biggest issue these Kunrays have. If you don't put the breathing holes in there or the heat sink, it is going to overheat and burn up, and you'll have a useless motor. Especially trying to push a full-size 125 pit bike when they're designed for small bikes like the Razors. Gotta get a sprocket, put the chain on, put a tube in the tire, maybe get a rim. But we do need a new sprocket. This is for the QS165. This is what they sent us. And we need one for the MY120. Or 1020, sorry. I was gonna try and do some welding and make a creation of thy own, but it's not gonna work because that tiny little thing. I mean, if we welded that into there, but this is so heavy, so I'm gonna try and get something smaller for this. I don't know, maybe Princess Auto might have one. I don't know, I'll have to check it out. Gotta look, gotta see. Strap this bad boy down. Okay guys, that is it for this video. If you like this video, you want to see more videos like it, head over to our channel at moddemon125cc. Like and subscribe. And as always, stay ready for that action.